Hello and welcome to our video on how to sell a tenanted property in the UK. As a landlord, you may need to sell your property at some point, and if it's currently tenanted, you might wonder what the process involves. In this video, we'll discuss the steps you need to take to sell your tenanted property in the UK. The first thing you need to do is check the tenancy agreement to ensure that it allows for the sale of the property while it's still tenanted. If the agreement doesn't permit it, you'll need to negotiate with the tenants or wait for the tenancy to end before selling the property. Step 2. Once you're sure that the tenancy agreement allows for the sale, you need to inform your tenants that you plan to sell the property. You should do this in writing and give them at least 24 hours notice before any viewings. Step 3. When coordinating viewings, you need to be mindful of your tenants' privacy and ensure that the viewings are convenient for them. You can discuss with them the best time and day for viewings and ensure that you provide enough notice. 4. Choosing the right estate agent is critical when selling a tenanted property. You need to ensure that the agent is experienced in selling tenanted properties and is knowledgeable about the UK rental market. You can also choose to work with an agent who specializes in selling tenanted properties. Finally, once you have an interested buyer, you'll need to liaise with the tenants to arrange a convenient time for the buyer to conduct a final inspection. You'll also need to inform them of any changes that may affect their tenancy, such as a new landlord or revised tenancy agreement. Selling a tenanted property in the UK may seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. By following these steps, you can successfully sell your property while ensuring that your tenants' rights and privacy are respected. Remember to check the tenancy agreement, notify the tenants, coordinate viewings, choose the right estate agent, and liaise with the tenants when finalizing the sale. We hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.